Hey guys, long time no see. Um, I've been bit busy with studies and such, so haven't had haven't had a lot of time lately to make any videos. But I thought tonight I'd do something else. Make a video about a I believe it's a much debated subject. Um, turn signals or turn signal. I know many a war has been fought about the correct term. But I think I've got a solution to the problem. Yeah. First off, smoking the usual. It's not in the tin anymore. I moved it to another jar that I had here. It's just easier to use it from the jar than from the tin, I found, and it's easier to rehydrate the tobacco. I found, especially with a tin, that the last bit of tobacco becomes quite dry, and yeah, that when especially this tobacco is quite dry, the taste is extremely horrible. So, onto the subject at hand. Oh, my opinion. The turn signals on a car, or the turn signals. It's a multi-purpose system in the vehicle. So, having more than one function, indicate signaling left or right. When referring to the to the system to the system as a whole, referring to it as turn signals multiple is appropriate. As in, use your turn signals when making a turn or changing lanes. But no, when you say when you when you want to say, okay, words are failing me now. When someone cuts in front of you in traffic, you can shout at them, use your damn turn signal. Now, one joke I've heard a lot of times already is never use your turn signal because it gives away. Never use your turn signals because it gives away the next move to the guys behind you. But yeah, I think we should just call them call it indicators and be done with it. It's a lot simpler. Yeah. In my quest to find a pipe ashtray, with the pipe smoking community not being what I think it should be in South Africa, I've decided to just use the tin, the tobacco tin, and I put the cork knocker on the. I glued it to the inside with the supplied double-sided tape. So yeah, it's a lot cheaper than going out and buying a fancy pipe ashtray. So, I've given you my opinion of the turn signal / tin signals problem. We just call it indicators from now on. Or maybe indicator singular. Problem solved, new problem rears its ugly head. Let's stick to the old problem, why don't we? Cheers, guys.